Hello friends, it's me Alfredo. Today we're gonna be checking the oil on this. This is a 1994 Ford Mustang GT with a 5.0 liter engine on it. Okay, you know what? It's not a big deal. You know, you gotta pop the hood and locate where the engine oil dipstick is located, which in this case is pretty obvious because it says right here, see? Engine oil, right there, engine oil. So, I always like to use a napkin because I don't want to spill oil, you know, all over your engine. So, you're gonna pull the dipstick and locate your napkin right here. So when it comes out, you just clean it. See, all the oil stays in the napkin. So now, I want to show you here where it says, see, it says full, it's got an arrow, and then it marks right here is the full position or full level, right? And then here, low, is gonna be like the lower level right here. So from here to here, usually if you have your oil level like right here, you just should add like 1 quart of oil to get it to a full position. So let's see how's the oil level on this car. So you put it back in the dipstick tube right here. I don't know if you can see it right there. Just slide it in all the way in. Now we are just gonna pull it back. Right here. And at this point you can see what the oil level looks like. So actually you can see in this car that the oil level is like right here. So it looks like this car is overfilled with oil. So let me show you again here in the light. See, the oil level is right here where it says full, but it's got an arrow. Let's see. See, the oil level was here, but actually full is here. So this car is actually overfilled with oil, probably because, you know, it's a performance engine, and you know they're putting some additives on the oil, but I'm gonna check that out and get it to the proper level. Okay friends, that's it. You know, there is not much to it, pretty simple, straight to the point, you know. And so if you like the video, please subscribe and give us some likes. If you have any comments or any questions about this car, you can leave them in the comments below. Thank you. See you next time.